Hi Virgo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Please ignore all the noises that are coming right now. Okay. Virgo, the card at the bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. I'm going to keep it right here. Virgo, judging by the cards that have come out for your reading, I feel right now you are concentrating more on your money, financials, and I feel you guys are gaining back a certain kind of authority in your life, something that you had given to somebody in the past and it did not work out to be in your benefit, but now you've understood that whatever that is needed for a good life for your own self, the work has to be put in by you, and nobody else can help you in that. But I also feel that even though you are gaining this authority, that at the back of your mind you feel this certain urge to begin a new life with somebody, and you know who this person is. Probably this person is from your past, somebody you've known of, and have wondered whether you guys have that chemistry or that potential to go ahead and make a future for yourself. But there is something that is holding you back, probably whatever happened in your past. This could be a work situation as well for some of you. Probably some of you were associated with a company or a workspace, and now you're no longer a part of it. You had to move on because probably there was less, like, lack of salaries, or they couldn't afford so many workers, employees, or whatever the reason might be. If this is your work situation, then you are getting a new opportunity when it comes to a job or a change of workspace. For some of you, I'm getting a dream come true. Like, you always wanted to be a part of a particular organization, and now you're finally getting that opportunity to be a part of it. You're gonna grab it, Virgo. You need to move on from certain places in order to build a pathway towards the place of your dreams, if it makes sense. When it comes to relationships, you guys will be involved with somebody who you've known or who you'll be meeting through mutual friends, associates, colleagues, acquaintances, and they are willing to put in the hard work in order to build a future with you. Now it's all up to you, Virgo, if you want this relationship or not. Or have you moved on from the past pain and troubles to give birth to this new relationship? Got the Queen of Fire, Ace of Earth, Page of Fire, Three of Water again. Definitely somebody you've known. It could be a reconciliation situation for some of you, reuniting with somebody you've known from the past, Virgo. Numbers 15, 3, 7, 6, 5 could be important. And I also feel that This is somebody who you've known, and of course, I mentioned it's like a reunion. For some of you, I'm getting maybe you guys were involved with somebody and it did not work out in the past, but now there is a chance of giving into that temptation. For some of you, we've got the temptation card, you've got the ace of earth, you've got the queen of pentacles, queen of fire, you've got the page of earth as well. This could be a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Somebody who's very serious, somebody who knows how to be more practical than emotional. You find yourself sitting on a fence, Virgo. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for some of you. I'm getting strong Taurus energies as well. You don't know whether to go ahead with something or not. You don't know whether to give in to your temptation or just let it be and focus on your work. Virgo, I feel whatever I am sensing right now through your energies is a very back and forth kind of situation where you don't know whether to step ahead or move back, or you're just waiting for some kind of green signal of sorts just to take action. But right now, I feel you need to just calm down and be with your own self, spend time doing things that make you happy, because they are the ones that are going to bring you back to your true element and in um, help you manifest actually. Virgo, let's see some extra messages for you. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Take them however they resonate with you. Yes, right now the energy of 3 and 2 is really prominent in your reading. You are caught between the past and the present. As I mentioned, number 6 is important. You want peace and comfort in your life right now, and I would suggest go and get that instead of expecting people to come back and expecting people to do things for you. It will happen, people will do things for you, but first you need to ground yourself and come clean with yourself about a lot of feelings that you were um, that you've buried deep under your emotions. And what I also feel is that right now you need a breath of fresh air, and turning tides are going to be helping you. With time, you will learn how to deal with the certain situations. Right now, just calm yourself down, be with your own self. I'm trying to streamline each and every message that I'm getting. Kindly bear with me. You got the yes card. Your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. Kids are so loud. Remain positive. God. I'm so sorry, Virgo, for all the external noises that are coming in. It's just people are really over enthusiastic about life nowadays. Um, Breakthrough. Number 8 could be important for some of you. You've got the breakthrough energy. You've got your intuition is correct. Remain positive. A yes. Good cards, Virgo. Physical and emotional healing is taking place right now. So just go with the flow. Let things take their own course. Let the events unfold on their own. You just keep going. And let your emotions slide over you like water, because sometimes it's best to not feel each and every emotion. Nothing is yet set in stone. A win-win situation is outcome. Emotions are running high. Hold your vision. The answers you need are coming. And one last card from this. Prosperity lies ahead. You've got two full moons, one new moon, and one super moon. I feel Virgo, this you are sailing on choppy waters, but that does not mean the sea won't be calm again. You just need to endure this phase in order to go ahead and reach calmer waters. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. This is such a beautiful message, Virgo. I would like to dedicate this beautiful jade to you, Virgo, so that you get the peace, clarity, and calmness that you truly deserve. And I hope and pray that the year 2021 treats you with utmost love, kindness, and respect and gives you a million reasons to smile. I hope this reading resonated with you, Virgo. Thank you for watching. Bye.